All right, so the numbers are in. A few months ago, I started keeping track of a few safety hazards that we see all the time, or so it seems. I wanted to know what percentage of homes these defects are in, and I thought you might be too. First safety defect is a loose garbage disposal cord, 10%. Second, that self-closing garage door. I only counted doors that were missing the self-closing hinge or not fire rated, 15%. Third, we have GFCIs. Current standards require them to be in the kitchens, baths, exterior, garage, and most recently in the laundry room, 21%. However, I feel that might be a little bit low. I may have missed recording a few of those. Fourth, our furry little friends up in the attic, evidence of rodents, 40%. This is the highest number in our 5 defects that we recorded. And finally, the TPR discharge pipe at the water heater, either missing or incorrectly installed, 12%. Despite these findings being somewhat common, it does not make them any less hazardous, and I recommend correcting. Until the next time, I'm sure a lot of you would want to know how many loose toilets we see in houses.